In a series of most dreadful attacks by Pakistan-based terror groups, another encounter broke out between terrorists and security forces at Kota Top in the Gando subdivision of the Doda district in Jammu and Kashmir on Wednesday evening. As tensions continue to rise with each passing day in the fourth terror attack in the region, a militant who had been hiding in a village was eliminated during the gun battle as per the latest reports. However, a CRPF Jawan hailing from Madhya Pradesh was also martyred, highlighting the serious risk that security personnel are facing in fighting the insurgency in the region. Meanwhile, Manoj Sinha, the Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory, has responded to the security concern by holding a review meeting and promising to hold those accountable for the atrocities. On the other hand, the security personnel are stepping up their attempts to find the terrorists and are leaving no stone unturned to initiate measures that would bring back peace and tranquility to the current devastated region. The terror attacks in several districts of Jammu first began with the horrific attack on a pilgrim bus on Sunday that left several people dead, while injuring 41 others, shocking the entire nation. The very next day, on Monday, the terrorists then targeted Saida Sukhal village in the Kathua district, resulting in numerous casualties and injuries. The following day, the militants attacked a joint checkpoint of police and security forces in J&K's Doda district, injuring 6 people, including 5 soldiers. The incident prompted the security forces to neutralize 1 terrorist. Now, the latest attack that occurred on Wednesday night is the second consecutive attack in J&K's Doda district. In an astonishing outburst of Islamic terror, Jammu and Kashmir's reputation of maintaining peace and harmony has been shattered by the startling rise of security concerns in the region suddenly. Within days, terrorists backed by Pakistan have launched an unrelenting assault targeting both security forces and civilians. Given the scope and audacity of these attacks, which have been taking place in several parts of Jammu and Kashmir for 4 days continuously, underlines the security situation in the Union Territory is dire. The threat of violence instigated by extremist factions seem to be present everywhere, from the isolated settlements of Doda to the lofty woods of Kathua. The security concerns are more so because back-to-back terror attacks are proving to be a shadow of uncertainty of the future of the region, as J&K prepares for the upcoming assembly elections and the start of the Amarnath pilgrimage. As the pressing necessity to curb the growing threat and protect civilian lives grows paramount, security authorities are currently on high alert amid the sudden turning point in the security equation of the region.